Hey kids, remember last time we did a chart like this? It was count by 3. So if you remember, we did 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. All right, we're going to use this exact same chart, but instead of counting by 3s, we're going to count by 6s. So as we count by 6s, of course, you're thinking about what you notice, what you wonder, and patterns you might see. All right, ready? Count. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. All right, so let's check this out. Let's put ourselves on pause. What do you notice about our count by 6? Maybe this would be a good time to hit pause and do a little notice and wonder. I'm going to step aside while you hit pause. All right, I'm back, and I hope you are too. And I'm going to guess that you noticed every other one was circled, right? So how many 3s are inside of a 6? It's made up of a 3 and another 3, right? So we know we get to skip that 3, but we're going to count that one because there are 2 3s and a 6. So we can actually use our 3s to help us with our 6s. All right, and then maybe you also noticed that there's also the diagonal pattern, but it skips 1 this time, right? So 6 went from here, not to 15, but to 24, right? And 18 went to, skip 27, 36, right? Because they're kind of like, following that pattern, but skipping some because we're not counting by 3s, we're counting by 6s, right? All right, maybe you also noticed that there was 1, 2, 3 in the count. 1, 2, oh, that was count by 3s. There was 1 in the count, 2 in the count, 2 in the count, 1 in the count. So we only said 1 number in the first line, 2 numbers in the second line, 2 numbers in the third line, 1 number in the fourth line. So maybe you thought about that. There's so many things that you probably noticed that I didn't get, but you can probably say to yourself, I can use my 3s to help me count by 6, right? All right, kids, I'm going to write up our story problem, and I'll be right back. All right, kids, here we've got our problem. Miss Singh needs to buy 24 juice boxes for the class picnic. Juice boxes come in packs of 6. Okay, so I want you to imagine yourself at the grocery store, and you're buying packs of juice or, soda cans, whatever. They come in a pack, right? So each one has 6 in a pack, and she has to figure out how many juice boxes she has to buy in order to have enough for all 24 kids, right? So juice boxes come in packs of 6. How many juice boxes does Mrs. Singh need to buy? All right, so I have 24 juice boxes out here, and let's go ahead and arrange them into packs of 6. So there's a pack of 6. It's kind of nice when you are thinking about like a 2x3 array makes 6 because I'm using some neatness, some clarity in my thinking, right? So I'm practicing kind of these mathematical thought processes as I go. So I'm trying to figure out how many packs of 6 will make 24. All right, it looks like we figured it out. She will need to buy 1, 2, 3, 4 packs of 6. All right, so we can also think about that as 6 times what makes 24. So you probably have learned your 6s, or you're still learning your 6s maybe. 6 times 4 makes 24, and that shows us the number of groups. 1, 2, 3, 4, or the number of packs, I should say, right? We can also think about it as 24 juice boxes split into packs of 6 makes 4 packs to buy. But also, you could use this count here, right? So you could go, all right, where's the 24 in the count? So here's the 24. And how many times did we have to count by 6? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can use that and connect it to our division. All right, kids, grab your stuff. It's time for you to do your work. See you next time. Bye.